Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Nati. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage promotions, sales promotion in the Oracle Fusion application. So salespeople can create and manage promotions that offer discount based on their specified conditions. So as a sales administrator, you can create a promotions, you can view and edit the promotion details, you can copy the promotions, you can delete the promotions. So in this video, we are going to perform all these tasks related to promotions. So let's move to the application. So first we see how to create a promotion. So click on this navigator, click on sales, click on promotions. In the promotion page, click on this create promotion button. Let's enter the name of this promotion. So I am going to enter BISP else promotion. Now description, you can add the description for this promotion. Now start date and date. So I'm going to enter the today's date and the end date is next week. See, so click on this save and close. So in this way, you can create a promotion. So the BISP sales promotion was created. So again, click on this promotion. So in this summary, you can see over here the details of this promotion. You can edit this promotion. You can edit their name, this name of this promotion, and you can edit the descriptions and the status and dates of this promotion. In adjustment part, you can enter some details. You can add some details like type. So let's select the adjustment type. We have two types of type. First one is line discount percentage and next one is line discount amount. So when we select line discount amount, so it is for fixed amount. And when we select the line discount percentage, so it is for percentage. So I'm going to select line discount percentage. Apply to. So let's select whether the discount should apply to. So when we select a list price, so list price is the advertised, published, and the sticker price on the product being marketed to the business or a consumer buyer. And the net price is the actual price paid once any discount are taken off the list price. So I'm going to select list price. Now the value, enter the amount. So I'm going to enter the amount 10. The amount is either the percentage of the discount or a fixed amount, depending upon the which type of adjustment you selected in the type field. When I'm selecting the percentage, line discount percentage, then it is a amount, it is the percentage of the discount. When I select the fixed amount like a discount amount, then it is a percentage of fixed amount. Now click on this save and close. So this is the promotion. You can edit this. Let's edit some promotions name. So you can edit the promotion BSP. You can edit. You can change the status of this when the you can change the status. Let's select the status of the promotion. When I select inactive, the promotion are not available in consuming application. So I'm going to select active. So click on save and close. So in this way, you can create the promotion and you can edit the promotion. Now let's copy the promotion. So select, click on this promotion, click on this action button and click on this copy promotion. Let's enter the name of this promotion. So I'm giving BISP sales promotions. Click on save and continue. You can see over here the sales BISP sales promotion gets created. Click on save and close again. You can see over here this is created. This is the copy promotion created over here. Click on that. Same likewise, you can edit this. You can change the name of this promotion. You can change the status of this promotion. You can change the dates and start date and end dates of this promotion, and the details. You can change the remaining details of this promotion. Now save and close. Now the next task is delete promotion. So let's click on first one and click on action button. So there is no any option for delete promotion when I select say status is active. When I select the status is active, so the action is not display any, the action button not display any delete promotion. Cancel it. Click on second one. The status is inactive. Click on this action button and see, you can see over here the detail, the delete promotion option gets display over here. Click on that. Click on yes. So you can see over here this promotion gets deleted. So in this way you can manage the promotion. You can create the promotion. You can edit the promotion. You can copy the promotion and then you can delete the promotion. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.